and function, we need to understand the basic terms which are related to it. Okay, once we will understand the basic terminologies, then only we will be able to move to the actual concept of relations and functions. So the first thing is Cartesian product of sets. So how we will find the Cartesian product of sets? We have already discussed the concept of sets. We have discussed what is set, subset, union, intersection, problems on sets, everything we have already covered related to sets. Now we will be discussing Cartesian product on sets. So whenever this Cartesian product means combination, like we will be making the combination whenever we will be having two sets, and that way we will find the Cartesian product of two sets. So let's say suppose we are having set A, which is having an element red and black. Two colors are there in the set. As we know, set can have anything. It can have anything as an element. It can have A, B, C, D. It can have 1, 2, 3, 4. It can have names of the person. It can have anything. Now, like that, we are having one having the element red and black. And another set B is there, having an element B, like bag is there, shirt is there, and coat is there. Now we have to find the Cartesian product. Product means what? Product means multiplication. So we have to find A cross B from here. So how we will find A cross B? We will find a combination of all colors with bag, shirt, and coat. So the first combination, see carefully, it can be, we can take red color, and we can take this red color with bag, with shirt, with coat, right? So bag can be of red color, shirt can be of red color, coat can be of red color. All the possibility we have to write it in ordered pair. Ordered pair means we will make first like let's write it. So ordered pair means we will be writing like this. Red color, like from the first set we will be taking one of the element and will make the combination of that element with the one of the element of second set. So red colored bag can be there. Similarly, red colored shirt can be there. Then red color coat can be there. Just we are writing all the possibilities. After that, red color, everything we have used for every. Am I audible to both of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, we will make the combination of black color. So we will make, we will take black color, and that can be of like bag can be of black color. Similarly, shirt can be of black color. So black shirt, then black coat. And this way we are writing all the possibility. We are just, while making the Cartesian product, while writing the Cartesian product, you just have to be careful. If you are writing A cross B, then you must take the first, at first you must write the element of A. Okay, so that's why here I have written red at first, and then we have taken black after that. Then the element of B, all the possibility. So bag, shirt, coat, then again with black, bag, shirt, and coat. And this way we are writing all the possibility and we are finding the Cartesian product of set A with set B. Similarly, if we have to find B cross A, suppose we have to find B cross A, Then we have to be careful. First we will be writing bag, and then we will be writing red. Then we will be writing bag. With black we can write here. The ordered pair can be here and there. Okay, you can take bag, you can take it with red, you can take it with black, or you can also take bag with red, shirt with red, coat with red. Now red is over. Then bag with black, shirt with black, coat with black. This way you can write. Are you getting it? Yes,
Yes,
Leena?
ma'am.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
getting it? So bag can be red, bag can be black. Similarly, shirt can be red, shirt can be black. After this, coat can be red and coat can be black. So whenever we are finding B cross A, we are writing the element of B at first. That's it. That much like you have to be careful with. Okay. So coat with black. We will just write the possibility and then we are done. Here, if we are having set P as a null set, and suppose we are having set Q as A, B, then can you tell me what will be the product of P and Q, the Cartesian product of P and Q? Whenever we are having any one of the set as null set, then Cartesian product will also be null set only, because there is nothing in set P, and whenever we will make the pair, it is not possible to make the pairs, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So if any of the set is null set, then the Cartesian product will be null set only. Getting it?
Yes.
Now, if we are having a set A whose elements are, let's say, 1 and 2. We are having again set A, like only one set A is there, and we have to find the Cartesian product, like A cross A cross A. This one we have to find it here. Here also we will be writing all the possibility. So at first we have understood how to do the multiplication of two sets. Okay, when we are having one of the set and another set, how to write all the possibility, that we have already learned in the first question. Now we will be applying that only. So first let's find A cross A, and then we will be finding A cross A cross A. All right, so A multiplied with again A. That means let's find the ordered pair. Here 1, this 1 with 1, again 1 with 2. We have used the first element. Now we will take 2 with 1, then 2 with 2, right? Right, Izan?
Ma'am, but there is like only 2A. How did you like bring 3A's?
We have to find 3 A's. Like A, set A, we have to use it thrice to find A into A into A.
Like the first
Only
and
one
second
set
we
A
should
is
do. Like the
Yeah.
first and second we should multiply.
Yeah.
Okay.
First, we will find A cross A, and then easily we will be able to find A cross A cross A. Like this result, we will be using here, this one. And again with A, we will do the multiplication. That's what I am saying. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So first, let's find A cross A. So it will be 1, 1, 1, 2, then 2, 1, 2, 2. Right, Lena?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this result of A cross A again will get multiplied with set A. What is set A? 1, 2 is there, right? right?
Ma'am, you said it will get multiplied, so it should be 4, right? 4, 1, 4, 4.
We are making the ordered pair. We are just making the ordered pair. We are not doing the multiplication. See,
Okay.
so suppose you have taken one of the element from here. Now you have to make the ordered, a pair you have to make. One element must be here, one element must be here. So this first element you are keeping it here, and from here you are taking the another element and keeping it here. So this became 1, 1. We are not
Okay,
doing the
ma'am.
multiplication of numbers. We are just writing in the form of ordered pair, a pair kind of a structure we are making, and we are writing it. Now the next one, again an ordered pair we will make. So we will take this one and we'll use this element because the first one is already used. So we are taking the another possible case 1. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this way we are writing all the possibility while writing the Cartesian product of two sets. It's
Ma'am,
like
now
this.
we only got
Let me
like
write
2
it.
sets.
Suppose set A is there and again set B is there. Here the element is 1, 2. Here the element is 3, 4. Now you will make the product, like you will make the pair 1 with 3 and 1 with 4. You are done. Now you will make the pair of 2 with 3 and 2 with 4. You are done.
Okay.
Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
This way we are getting the Cartesian product in ordered form. Now if you have to find B cross A, so you are taking B at first and then you are taking A. B is having the element 3, 4, A is having the element 1, 2. Now let's make the combination 3 with 1, 3 with 2. So 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Now there is no other element, so work of 3 is done. Now you will take 4, 1, 4, 2. So other one is 4, 1, 4, 2. This is how you are getting B, like B cross A.
Okay.
Are you getting, Lina?
Yes, ma'am.
We are making ordered pair. We are not doing the multiplication of numbers. We are just making this one's one of the element with that one of the element. Again, this one of the element with that one's another element. Like this. So if we have to make A cross A cross A and there is only one set A, let me show you how we are making it. Suppose we are having A, only A is given, that is 1, 2. And we have to find A cross A cross A. We know A cross A means ordered pair. One of the element of this one with one of the element of that one. That way we have learned how to make the ordered pair. So let's do it. Again, write A. 1 element is there. Now 1 with 1. Let's make it 1 with 1. Then 1 with 2. Then another element can be 1 with 2. Similarly, 2 with 1. Next ordered pair is 2 with 1. After that, 2 with 2. Next ordered pair, the possible combination is 2 with 2. This is how we got A cross A. But we have to find A cross A cross A, right? So now we will be using this result of A cross A. A cross A result we will be using. That is, let's write the ordered pair. 1, 1 is there. 1, 2 is there. 2, 1 is there. And 2, 2 is there. Now with again A, we will be doing the multiplication. Like multiplication means the combination we will find. So A is having only element 1, 2. Okay, let's make the combination 1, 1 with 1. So we will be having 1, 1, 1. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, 1, 1 with 2. So next, repeat with 1, 2. Next combination. After that, let's go to the next element, that is 1, 2. So we will be having 1, 2 with 1. So 1, 2, 1. Then we will be having 1, 2 with 2. So we will be having next combination is 1, 2, 2. Right? Let's do the same way. 2, 1, then 1. Similarly, 2, 1, then 2. After that, 2, 2 with 1. Then 2, 2 with 2. This way we have finished finding A cross A cross A. Are you getting it, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do a few questions from the exercise. Just give me a second. Okay. So the first question of exercise, let's do a few questions related to the Cartesian product, then we will be moving to the next concept. So the first question says, if G is, set G is 7, 8 and set H is 5, 4, 2, then find G cross H, the Cartesian product of. Can you see, Lena, what will be the set, like what will be the ordered pair over here?
7, 5,
Yeah.
and then 7 with 4,
Yeah.
and 7 with 2.
Perfect. Next.
8 with 5, 8 with 4, then
Yeah.
8 with 2.
Perfect. And this is the all possible combinations we have written. Yes, Izan, can you tell me what will be the ordered, like a Cartesian product of H cross G?
H cross G, 5, 7, and 5, 8.
Yeah.
Then 4, 7, and 4, 8.
Yeah.
Then 2, 7, and 2, 8.
Then perfect. This way we have written the combination of all ordered pair. These are called ordered pair because we are writing a pair which is in ordered form. When G cross H is given, strictly we are taking the element of G at first. When H cross G is given, strictly we are taking the element of H at first. That's why these are called ordered pair. When we were talking about the sets, it was called element of the set, object of the set. And here we will be saying ordered pair of the given set. Okay. So you will be able to find the Cartesian product of any two sets given. Now, suppose set A is having, let's take the above example only. Here set G is having how many elements, Lina? In set G, how many elements are there? Set G.
2.
Elements are there. And in set H, how many elements are there?
3.
3 elements are there. Then when we will do the multiplication of G, the Cartesian product of G and H, let's see how many elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there. Similarly, when we are multiplying and finding the Cartesian product of H cross G, let's see how many elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the number of element is getting multiplied whenever we are counting the number of element. The set G is having 2 element, number of element in G is 2, and if the number of element in H is 3, then number of element in G cross H, the Cartesian product will be 2 into 3, that is 6. All right. Similarly, the number of element in H cross G, since we are multiplying the same H with G, again it is 6 only. And here you can count the numbers also in the above example. All right. So one of the questions says, suppose one of the question is there which says a set A is there. A has 3 elements. And there is a set B which is having this element 3, 4, 5. Find the number of element of A cross B. So how we will find the number of element of A cross B? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, like A has
Yes,
like
is
any 3 elements.
Yeah, any 3 element. And B
So
has 3 element.
1, 3.
1, 3. Whenever we are finding the total number of element, we are just doing the multiplication of both. See?
But we
In
don't know like how
previous
many,
example,
like what are the numbers of A, right?
are not required. Here it is just asking find the total number of element. If A has 2 chocolate and B has 5 chocolate, then A cross B will must have 2 into 5, that is 10 chocolates. What are those? That we don't know. That we will not be able to find just by 2 chocolate. Which 2 chocolates are there? That is not possible to guess. Okay. We are just focusing on what will be the total number of elements, and there is a formula for that. So whenever we know the number of element of one of the set and number of element of another set, then the number of element in their Cartesian product will be just the actual multiplication of both the numbers. So like this, here G was having 2 element, H was having 3 element. So G cross H, exactly we have done the multiplication of both the element. 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Similarly, H was having 3 element, G was having 2 elements. So total number of element will be 3 into 2, that is 6 element. Now what are those elements? Make the ordered pair of that. That we will be able to make when the sets are given. Are you getting his on?
Yes, ma'am.
So total number of element can be calculated without even knowing the set. If you know the number of element of one of them, number of element of the another one, and if total number of element in both A cross B is asking, you just have to do the multiplication of this number with that number. Are you getting, Lina?
Yes, ma'am.
So here A has how many element? 3 element. B has how many element? Obviously 3 element, we can count it. So A cross B will have 3 into 3, that means 9 element total. So we learned 2 things over here. First, we learned how to make the ordered pair. When A cross B is asking and A is given, B is given, how to make the ordered pair, 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 1 with 4, how to make all the combinations like that. That we learned over here. And the second concept is how to find the total number of element. If the number of element is A is known, number of element of B is known, then the number of A cross B will be the product of both. Okay. Similarly, suppose there is a question where P is equals to a set Mn and Q is a set Nm. If P cross Q, then let me write, then P cross Q will be M, N, and M. True or false? Yes, Izan, is it true or false? Set P is given, set Q is given, and P cross Q is also given. So P cross Q is true or false according to the given sets?
False.
It's false, right? Yes, Lena,
Yes.
is it true or false?
False.
It's false. Let's write our P cross Q. P cross Q will be M and can you hear me, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What problem today? It is just automatically getting off. So we are finding P cross, it will be M with N, then M with M, then N with M, then N with M. These are the all combinations which the Cartesian product P cross Q will have. Now, Izan, I was telling you, this is one of the concept. Now, the other concept is let's find the total number of element in P cross Q. So, without even knowing the set, we can find the total number of element. And if we know the set, then also we can find the total number of element. So, here P is having two element like 1, 2. Q is having two element 1, 2. So, P cross Q will have 2 cross 2, that is 4 element. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Right, Izan?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do the next one. Okay, let's continue the next concept. So suppose we are having a set A is there, which is having an element 1, 2. A set B is there, which is having an element 3, 4. Then we have to find A cross B intersection 5. Okay. Intersection 5 is there. Any one of you, we have already discussed the concept of intersection. So B, set B, intersection 5 will be what, Lena?
5.
5 only, because there will be no common element. If there is a null set, nothing. If there is a set B having element 3 and 4, then what is common in between both the set? Nothing will be common. Again, the null set. Okay. And now only we started the discussion that A Cartesian product with 5 will be 5 only. Because you won't be able to make the ordered pair, right? when there is no set at all, there is a null set. So result of this one will be 5 only. All right. Let's do the next one. Suppose we are having a set A, which is 1, 2, a set B, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. A set C is there, which is 5, 6. A set D is there, with 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have to verify that A cross B intersection C is same as A cross B intersection A cross C. Let's do it. Step by step, we will be doing that. So left hand side at first, let's find it. A cross B intersection C. Whenever you see the operation like union, intersection, difference, complements, first find that from the given set, which we have already learned in chapter 1. So here B intersection C is there. We will be finding first B intersection C. So can you tell me, Izan, what is B intersection C?
B intersection C.
Yeah. Set B is given, C is given. B intersection C is what? Common element which are there in A and B, like B and C both. That's it.
None of them are common.
Intersection, there is nothing common.
Yeah.
So we will write 5, right? Nothing is common. So
Okay.
here again, we got the same question only, A cross 5, and it will be 5 only. Similarly, other one will be also 5. Let's leave this. Already we have discussed this concept. Now, if we are having two sets, suppose the first set is x plus 1, y minus 2. A ordered pair is there, and it is same as the other ordered pair, that is 3, 1. Then from here we have to find the value of x and y. So whenever two ordered pair are exactly same, like this side is equals to that side, this side is equals to that side, then we can compare the ordered pair. We can compare this first element this with the other side's first element. We can write it x plus 1 will be equals to 3 and y minus 2 will be equals to 1. Why we are writing like this? Because there is a equality sign in between both the ordered pair. That means both the ordered pair are exactly same. Okay, so we can compare like this. Whenever one of the ordered pair is given over here, another ordered pair will be given over here with equality sign that represent both the ordered pair are exactly same. Even if it doesn't look like same, it is exactly same. You can take the first element of this one is equals to first element of this one. You can take second element of this one with the second element of this one. And by doing like this, you can get the value of x and y. So here you will get x value as 3 minus 1, that is 2. And y value you will get from here after solving the equation 1 plus 2, that is 3. So just by the given condition, it was written in the question, find x and y. And we found x and y. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, if we are having the another question as x 3 plus 1 y minus 2 by 3 is equals to 5 by 3 and here 1 by 3. So am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So here
Yes, ma'am.
what can be taken? Here we have to find the value of x and y. Yes, Lina, what can be taken over here?
X by 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3.
Let's solve it. So what we will get? X by 3 is equals to 5 by 3 minus 1, right? We have to find the value of x from here. So we are going to solve this equation, right?
Yes.
5 by 3 minus 1 is what? Is on?
4 by 3.
Is it 4 by 3? LCM is 3. Here 5 is there. Here. We have to take the LCM to solve it.
Okay, 5 minus 3.
Which is 2 by 3, right? Right?
Yeah.
So be careful while doing such solution, okay?
Ma'am,
X
then what
by
about
3
the minus 1?
Which minus 1? This?
Like how is it? Yeah.
This was having denominator as 1, right? And the
Yeah.
LCM of 3 and 1 we got 3, right? Here
Yeah.
we got the LCM as 3. Now the first one is already 3. That's why we have not changed the numerator and we have written the numerator as it is. Next one is 1. So we have to do multiplication of 3 over here, and here also 3 got multiplied. How you do fractional addition and subtraction? Like this only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Multiply 5 in the numerator also. Am I audible to both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
What has happened? There is something wrong with the connectivity in the whole city only. So let me go. Lina, you understand the addition and subtraction of the fractions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Izan, is it clear now where this 1 is going? If we are having 5 by 3 minus 1, it will be 5 minus 3 by 3, right?
Yes.
Yes, from there we are getting x by 3 is equals to 2 by 3, and this x value will be 2 properly, like the first term with the first term, second term with the second term. Why we are comparing like this? Because there is an equality sign. Just by doing the comparison, you will get the value of the unknown. It can be a, b, c, d, anything x, y, z. So we have discussed how to find the unknown when two ordered pair are same. Now, yeah, Izan, suppose we are having a set A as -1, 1. And we have to find A cross A cross A. Can you tell me what will be the, like all possible combination, what will be the Cartesian product of A with A with A?
Ma'am, like only one A element.
Yeah,
Uh, -1, then 1,
yeah.
then alone -1. Can we write like that?
No, ordered pair only we have to write, or if three sets are multiplied, then that means ordered triplet will be there. Three terms will be there sitting together. So to
1 and
find,
-1.
yeah, what?
1 and -1.
Let me write AA over there so that it can like simplify the steps. A we are having -1, 1. Again, we are multiplying with A. Now tell me all the possible combinations.
-1,
Let's
-1.
-1, -1, then
Minus no, 1 -1,
okay, 1 -1, then
then -1 and 1,
yeah, then
1 and 1.
yeah, that is
That's all.
A cross A. That's
Yeah.
it, right?
Yeah.
That is A cross A. Now we have to find A cross A cross A with
Cross
again
A.
A. Okay, so whatever A cross A we have got, that we will multiply with A. So whenever three A is given, or A cross B cross C is given, first you multiply the first two, and then you multiply the result of the first two with the last one. Okay, so now we are having like this. You will be able to understand. Let me write all your possibility which you have said. -1, -1. This is A cross A. Then you said 1 -1. Then you said -1, 1. And then you said 1, 1. This one we are going to multiply with A, so that we will be having A cross A cross A. All right. So A is having only two elements, that is -1 and 1.
Okay.
Let's do the multiplication. Let's write all the possible ordered pairs.
-1 and -1, -1.
-1, -1, -1. Perfect. Next.
Then 1, comma -1, comma -1.
1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Perfect. Then
-1 comma 1 comma -1.
perfect. Next.
1 comma 1 comma -1.
Yeah, perfect. Next.
-1 comma -1 comma 1.
Then
1 comma -1 comma 1.
then
-1 comma 1 comma 1.
then
1 comma 1 comma 1.
minus 1 1 1. Then 1, you are taking the last one. 1 1
Yeah.
1. Yeah, perfect. Even if you are writing the ordered pair here and there, Lina, if you are doing first this one and then this one, then also we are correct. Okay, we just have to write all the possible combinations. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
now A is having how many element? 2 element. What we are finding? A cross A cross A. So how many element we will be having? 2 cross 2 cross 2. 2 2 times 4, 2 times 8. Total 8 elements must be there. Let's count it. Whatever Ijan has said, let's count whether total 8 element we have got or not.
Yeah, ma'am, we got 8 element.
We have got 8 element, right?
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how we are finding the one of the thing we are finding, that is total element. Another thing we are finding, that is the Cartesian product. So if Cartesian product is asked, you have to write list down everything, whatever we have listed down. You have to read the instruction carefully. If total element is asking only and A is given as 1 2, suppose like this, and A cross A has total element and options are 10 5 12 8, then you have to say total 8 element will be there. That's it. You don't have to list it down, you don't have to waste time. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so this was the Cartesian product. A cross A has, okay, let's do one more question, different one. Question can be, if A cross B is having ordered pair PQ, PR, MQ, MR, then find A and B. Can we find set A and set B if the Cartesian product is given? Lina,
Yes.
what will be the element of set A?
P and M.
P and M. What is the element of set B, Izan? Yeah, please unmute yourself.
B.
Element of set B will be
Uh,
C. Whenever we are having A cross B, the first element must be from A, right? This first
okay.
P must be from A. This M must be from A. All the first element must be from A only, right? That's why she
Yes.
said A is having 2 element only, P and M. Similarly, the second element must be from B, right?
Yes.
So what will be the element of set B?
Q and R.
That's it, right? Here Q, here R, again Q, again R. That means repetition is there, and while writing the set, we don't have to write the repetition. Okay? So when Cartesian product is already given, this is how we will be able to find the separate sets. Okay, there is a question which says, that A cross A has 9 elements, total 9 elements, okay, which are found among which are found -1 0 and 0 1. Then find the set and the remaining element of A cross A. So A cross A, total 9 elements are there. A cross A is having total 9 elements, in which 2 elements are already given, like -1 0 is given and 0 1 is given. And like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Rest of the elements, rest of the ordered pairs are not known. All right.
Okay.
Find the set A. We have to find set A, and we also have to find the remaining here blank space, which I have just given the fill in the blank. All the blanks we have to fill it. So before that, we have to find set A. Okay.
Ma'am, it's given, right? Set A is -1, 0.
What is given?
Set A is like
Yeah.
-1, 0.
Yeah, 2 elements are given. Total 9 elements are there. Total 9 ordered pairs are there. One of the ordered pair, another ordered pair, another ordered pair, another ordered pair. Like this, 9 ordered pairs are there. Among them, 2 are given only. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, but like they are saying to find set A. So set A could be either -1, 0 or 0, 1, right?
Set A can't be -1, 0. Only -1 and 0. Only 2 element will be there in set A. If the product of 2 set is 9, then you can understand first one must have 3 element and second is same. Then 3 element must be there. Then only it has become 9 element, right?
Hmm.
Are you getting it? Total number
Yes,
of
ma'am.
element is 9 and we are multiplying the same thing. So 3 cross 3 only can give 9, right? Lina?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's write it. Let's make the set. If we are having set A and another set A, here 3 elements must be there. We can understand one of the element is -1, another element is 0. Here on the other set, we can see one of the element is 0 and another element is 1. So can we say here 3 elements are -1, 0 and 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting Izan?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, if I am filling this one, -1 and 0. And I'm not like this. I'm filling -1 from here and 0 from here. And similarly, I'm filling the next element in the next set A, but both are A only. So if we will include both, then we are getting the idea that 3 element can be -1, 0 and 1, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Here also, 3 element can be -1, 0 and 1. You can write it here and there. Eventually, we just need to find all the ordered pair. Okay, so rest of the ordered pair easily we will find. If set A, we have figured it out, the elements are -1, 0 and 1, then A cross A easily we will find, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how we have to understand that if total number of element is 9 and two same sets are multiplied together, then it must be 3 cross 3. 3 elements. Our set A must contain 3 elements. And 2 ordered pair which is given, that is giving us the idea that 3 element can be -1, 0 and 1. That's it. Here only we are done. Now we just have to find A cross A. That can be done easily. All right. So this
Yes,
way,
ma'am.
let me come on the screen. Yeah, this way we have completed the first exercise, that is Cartesian product. Now only when you will attempt the assessment, you will find all the questions from Cartesian product of sets. Okay, the question will be moderate, not too tough. It will be simple only. So please go and attempt the assessment. It will get activated in your account now only. And yeah, I am keeping it this much. In the next class, we will be starting the concept of relation. So first do this exercise completely by yourself. Then only you will understand the concept of relations. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Lina. Okay, Izan. So yeah, thank you for today.